Alright, I'm not going to give any commentary on this video, simply because I'm lazy. But pretty much what I've done is, here's the exhaust port, here's the intake port for the carburetor. Ta-da! I've cleaned the carburetor, I've burned my finger. It's just an old 1970s Craftsman lawnmower 8-horse. I'm gonna sell it, but no one seems to want to buy it for whatever reason. Anywho, taking this carbon encrusted piece of crap intake, and haven't really washed it out that great, but I hope it's better than what it was before. And now I just throw it all back together, and hopefully she'll run. Not gonna make any guarantees, but I'm just gonna pump all the exhaust out of it now. Ooh, crap, all over my chair. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but there's a little bit of crap coming out of the motor right here. So, whatever, it's all good. It's gonna take about 3 minutes to put this thing back together, as long as I can figure out what went where. Pretty sure I know though. Couldn't be that difficult. Work on bikes all day, so couldn't be that difficult, right? Thought I said I wasn't going to do a commentary on this video. Just fuck it. Just putting the intake port on. Intake manifold, whatever you want to call it. It's got some lock washers on there, so you just tighten those up. It's good and on there. Put the carburetor back together so I can put that back over there. Yeah. I assume this went here. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's where they went. It might be supposed to be a rubber washer on that though, so it's a little disconcerting. Anyway, that'll go back through there, like this. That's a huge ass camera over there that guy's got. Should go borrow it from him. There's a little stupid little stopper. Yeah, that's pretty much the carburetor, just an on-off valve on this thing. There we go. How this works is the carburetor sits like this, and there's this needle in here. And this sits up inside here, and what this does is... Okay, anyway. What this does is, the gas level in the float bowl, which is somewhere around here. Anyway, the float bowl pushes up on here, because this is filled with air. Pushes up, closes off the valve, so that no more air gets into the chamber, into the combustion chamber over here. So yeah, that's how that works. Ta-da! Bada bing, bada boom. Where the hell does that thing go? Here. There's a little bowl. Just FYI. Okay, pretty sure that's how it goes, but I'm not sure. Sucks. It'll move the least, so that's, yeah, that there. And then we put this valve here back in. This is a valve in itself. It's got a little seat down there. Pretty sure the valve, the gasket around here, leaks. But whatever, I don't have the money or the time to fix it. Besides that, I don't have any clue where to get parts for it. So, this little valve here goes back in. Not at an angle. Try not to get it in an angle because then you'll fuck it up. But, hey, just take all this excess crap off best you can. Maybe go to the wire brush. Get some tools soon. Spring loaded so that it opens. I got a gasket for it here. I'm gonna put that on best I can. Yeah, it's for the side. Yeah, these just went through here like this. Gasket on there. Hopefully I can make another video later about me running it, but the way it's going, I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon. Yep. So we just throw this back in here like this. Yeah. Come on, you. That's something in my shoe. It'd be nice if I had another person here standing beside me doing this. You gotta make sure these bolts are snugged up, and then tighten them after that. Because if you fuck up, screw up your manifold, you're screwed. Especially like if it's for a really old lawnmower like this. This doesn't just apply to lawnmowers. This applies to everything. Tight. What else did I have to do? I had to put on the exhaust again. I'm not even sure I wanted to put the exhaust on anymore. How much more time? 6 minutes. Okay, there was a thing on there for that. Schnitzel. Might as well just put the carburetor back together. Ow! Shit, that's good. Oops. I lost something or I broke something. I think. Yeah, I got a good feeling I broke something. I should just slide on there like that. But it's probably going to slide over there. Somewhat like this. It's going to slide under here for this, I think. Yeah, that's how that's going to go. Yes. Kind of slide these in here. Yeah, it's all good. And then, let's patch this up, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.